Make a great choice today with the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.